love the low end grunt that comes out of that motor. It just is like a tractor coming out of the corners, which it's great. You can lug it, you know, just right out of the corner. It just pulls hard, and then it just keeps pulling for, you know, all the way through the rev range. It's a really impressive motor.
It's nice to have the easy change mapping. We've tried them all, and on the 450, and pretty much all of them are pretty rideable, but there is a distinct difference. On this particular track, I was able to find one I liked. I kind of like the leaner one. I thought that just worked really well with this track.
Corners like it's on rails, good tracking, suspension's good, good balance.
It's one of the bikes that I always feel like it's doing what you want it to do. You're not fighting the thing.
When someone first hops on the bike before doing a bunch of laps on it, I think that they'll really notice how comfortable it is.